Hi everyone, I'm Dipendu, and today I am very excited to walk you through a tool that I built. It might completely revolutionize how you prepare for Databricks certification. This is a AI built certification generator. So basically a RAG application which takes all of my personal notes and based on your selection of certification, it creates a tailored experience for you and create those certification questions for you, right? Let's jump right in and I can show you what it is in detail. So we are right now at dchanda.com. I use my own domain to host it. So you come to this page, you have a bunch of selection. So the first selection you could do is certification type. So it has all of Databricks certification which could you could think of. Uh, I did capture my notes for each and then used it for creating this. So say you want to learn now machine learning professional. Based on the selection, you could have four different topics you can test yourself on. So say I want experimentation, I want model lifecycle management. I'm very good with model deployment and solution data monitoring. So I'm not going to test myself on that. So these two topics are good enough. I can put my OpenAI key to use GPT-4 model. Even without that, it should generate pretty good options for you. And once I'm done selecting, maybe I can minimize this to have more like real estate for questions. So I can create 15 questions and give it maybe around 5 seconds to load uh, the question. So basically, the model is taking my notes and creating a question experience for you based on the LLM, which is running on the backend. And then I'm passing all of that information into a UI, which you could be using for your questions generation, right? So now you see I have 15 questions. Question number one is displayed. You could close out or minimize left bar to get even more space and now focus on these questions. Say uh, tracking flow. Say I choose a random option. Let me see if it's correct or not. I was incorrect. It gives you explanation why you are incorrect. And with that, you could see how useful it is. For your next question, I didn't give any button to gonna move to next. So choose any of the other option and automatically it will move to the next question. That's the way I chose to design this. Now with number question two, do the same thing. You could see your response. Keep in mind that once you reach question number 15, then you would have the overall score you have, how many correct answer you gave out of 15, so that you could know that 70% is the passing score, but I'm only answering uh, less than 70% of the questions, so I'm not ready yet, right? So you could test yourself, uh, your readiness, but keep in mind that these questions are AI generated and none of this is uh, endorsed by Databricks, meaning that all content is mine and the AI generation is very hard to predict. None of this is coming out of Databricks. So the questions you get is might not be related at all with the main certification. Also, this is my personal project with no relation to Databricks or any plans or any commitments down the road, right? The certification, again, might be completely different, which you see in the real certification exam. This is for you to learn those topics and make you a better professional uh, in terms of the knowledge of Databricks platform. And with that, I also want to be a bit transparent. So as of now, this MCQ generation is completely free for any users, anyone trying. There is no login, nothing to keep a track of that. So I will incur a lot of cost. Uh, but as the community grows, the cost of maintaining this platform might be too huge for me to bear. So I might introduce a donation option and I will Look for your support if that situation comes. I don't plan to make any money out of it. It's just to support the community, uh, the database community in general, right? So let me know if you really liked it or if you have some other cool ideas. I'm all ears. With that, yeah, peace.